In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check decimal places in MetaTrader 5. If you're navigating through the world of trading, understanding this detail can be incredibly helpful in ensuring you're making the most informed decisions possible. MetaTrader 5, a widely used platform among traders, offers a variety of features to enhance your trading experience, and knowing how to find these decimal places is one of those essential skills. First, let's start by opening MetaTrader 5 on your device. This platform acts as a hub for trading with insight and precision, so getting comfortable with it is key. Once you've launched MetaTrader 5, we'll focus on accessing the necessary windows to get the details you need. Now, to proceed, you'll need to press Ctrl and M on your keyboard. This shortcut is a quick way to open the Market Watch window, which plays a crucial role in our task today. The Market Watch window provides a list of the symbols and their corresponding market data, an invaluable space for traders looking to track and analyze markets efficiently. After bringing up the Market Watch window, you want to pick the specific symbol that you're interested in. Think of this step as selecting the particular stock, currency or asset that you're trading or planning to trade. Right-clicking on the symbol helps you delve deeper into its specifics. You'll see a menu pop up with several options. Choose Specification from this list. This action will lead you to a detailed window about the selected symbol. In the Specification window, you'll encounter various fields containing key details about the symbol. Among these fields is the one you're looking for, digits. The digits field tells you the number of decimal places used in the pricing of that specific symbol. Understanding how many decimal places something is quoted in is vital for precise calculations and to avoid any costly errors in your trading strategies. So, you've now successfully checked the decimal places for your chosen symbol. This step not only informs your decisions, but can also be a crucial detail when setting up trades, coding automated strategies, or just ensuring your data alignment is fine-tuned. Remember, familiarizing yourself with these small yet essential details can significantly impact your trading experience. As you become more adept at using MetaTrader 5, you'll find that these little actions, like checking decimal places, become second nature. Until next time, continue exploring the resources and tools available to you as you grow your trading knowledge and expertise. Happy trading!